Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add products to your favorites on ShopPay. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open ShopPay, which is on your phone, and then log into your account. After you do so, you can see your profile or the products which you have to buy. So you can see some of the popular products over here, and you can also find some of the followings over here. Now if you want to keep these types of products to your favorites, you can see the love button. Just go ahead and tap on it and these products will be added to your favorites. So wondering where you will find those favorites, I'm gonna tell you. So let's go ahead and go back. You can see your profile on the top right hand side. Go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, you can see the favorites icon. Go ahead and tap on it once again and you can see all of your favorites item which you added just before. You can go ahead and buy these and you can save it for later as well. So it's quite easy how you can add it to favorites. So you can see these individual products, you can see the love icon. Just go ahead and tap on it and they will be headed to the favorites. You can easily buy them later and it will be saved as your favorites until you delete them. So if you want to delete them, you can just go ahead and unlike it or love it and they will be removed from your favorites as well. So guys, this is how you can add products to your favorites on ShopPay. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.